Alright, hello everyone. So today's video is about this mod created by Just Jasper for the game Don't Starve Together. The mod is created to make these colorful big houses, bunny houses, and farmhouses. There's an issue with the mod lately because of the Hamlet update, I believe. That makes all the big houses or the big houses and the merm houses invisible. The bunny houses are fine. So I tried to fix it, and I was able to generate some files that if you replace it with the mod files, it will fix it. I added those lines into the mod main, and I changed those. This is the original file. This is my fix, and there are some download links in the description, hopefully, to get you these two files folders. So all of these zip files. What you do is copy those, go to your wherever you installed your Steam folder. So mine is C program files x86, Steam apps, common, don't starve together, mods, workshop 793677414. This number comes from the mod ID on Steam. So you go here, make sure that you have mod main and animation folder, paste those files. Actually, before I do that, I'll show you what's in here. Oh, actually paste it. Okay, so paste those files, replace, and it, yeah. So originally those files aren't there, and I just added those and changed those. The bug is from the Hamlet update, if I recall correctly. The file structure for the animation for the big houses and such are different now. So yeah, it just corrupted the mod a little bit, but it's a great mod. You should try it. By Just Jasper. And yeah, good luck.